Are you ready to release your goddess? It doesn't matter if you're a beginner with just a few hip moves or an experienced dancer. The following 7 tips will help you feel utterly magical, ethereal, and empowered. Trying to become a goddess is like trying to catch the wind in a net. You can't catch what you already are. Your goddess resides within you, ready to be set free. Like a sculptor releasing the statue within a rock, all you need to do is free up the potential within. Number 1, be yourself, but bigger. Aphrodite didn't say, "Oh, sorry to disturb you, I'll just stand over here and radiate love." No. Think big, bold gestures, opening up the body and radiating all that you are. Use big arm sweeps and expand into the space all around you. Feel open through the heart center and the upper back. These expansion exercises are great to do at the beginning and end of the day, and especially just before you dance. Explore your space however you like. This is your personal space, your dance arena. And don't forget to expand into the space behind you. Dancing with a prop like a veil also gives a sense of expanding out into the universe. We're really taking inspiration from the wind here. Soft, ethereal, yet also dramatic and powerful. Number 2, use elegant gestures. Avoid dancing with claws, tight fists, too much tension in the hands, or floppy hands. Have energy in the hands and fingers. Bring your middle fingers and thumbs towards each other. Then, as if you're picking up dainty pastries from a plate, hand them to people either side of you. Day 1 at the Goddess Finishing School. They tell you graceful turns from the wrist and elbows give your hand gestures a playful elegance. Experiment and cultivate your own signature hand and arm gestures. You can also experiment with larger, expansive gestures. What kind of energy are you going to radiate into the world? Use big, expressive arms to let those qualities emanate from your heart center. Number 3, connect to your heart center. Your arms and hands directly lead into your emotional center. Notice how mechanical arm and hand gestures look when there is no movement in the upper body. A little bit of movement makes your hands and arms come alive with expression and feeling. It might be as simple as connecting to the breath and expanding and lowering the chest. Adding a natural upper body torso sway. Or, if you know how, performing tiny chest circles. Allow the movement from your heart center to flow out and give emotional meaning to your arms and hands. Allow your goddess to swish and sway in the upper body and always dance with your heart center open and expanded. Number 4, strike a pose. Even the most pretty arm and hand movements look lifeless when they are not showcased by a dramatic pose. An easy one is to bring all your weight onto one leg and stretch out the other leg. The theatrical stillness of the pose draws attention to the intricate hands. A powerful stance tells the world that you accept yourself for who you are and where you are in this beautiful world. Be empowered and experiment with confident shapes. Live from your inspiration. Dream from your heart. Believe in who you are and who you can be. Don't forget that strong arm frames can beautifully showcase even the most simple hip movements. Number 5, focus on the beautiful. If we don't focus on the beauty we create, we can find ourselves painting a pretty lackluster picture. Instead, let your gaze follow the creative patterns you fashion with your arms and hands. Pick an aspect of your dance and focus on it with love and appreciation. Let that appreciation ripple through your whole body and mind and out into the world around you. Use your gaze to draw attention to beauty everywhere. Even a simple hand gesture takes on new meaning when you give it all your focus. By looking at the world through the awe-inspired eyes of a child, we get a fresh appreciation for all its beauty. Number 6, radiate emotion. All dancing looks flat when there is no emotional charge to power it. Connect to the heart centre both physically and emotionally. Always allow yourself to feel your emotions and express what's in your heart in any moment. Of course, it doesn't always have to be joy, but when you are happy, smile so it radiates from your eyes. Smiling is like the fragrance of a flower, drawing others towards it. Cultivate lightness in your being and levity in your heart. Smile often, laugh with abandon, and enjoy yourself without limits. Number 7, be spontaneous and playful. Choreography can be very powerful and impressive, but it often consists of movement that was thought up yesterday. Come into the present and create. This is the power of now. Allow your goddess to get into her groove. Respond to the music, to rhythm, beauty, nature, and whatever you are feeling in the moment. Tune your awareness into the creative force that gives life and permeates the universe. Abandon yourself to follow your intuition so that your dance becomes authentic, unique, and full of your own expression. Dance barefoot in the sand at night if you fancy it. You'll feel calm, centered, playful and free. So here's a reminder of 7 ways to reveal your goddess. And here's a fun exercise to put it all together. Stand in a dramatic pose and use arm and hand gestures to draw attention to your goddess aura, your expression, your heart center, and your connection to the earth. This is a fun way to release your goddess at the beginning of every dance practice. Let's try that again. Draw attention to your goddess aura, your expression, your heart center, and your connection to the earth. Strike a pose. Your goddess aura, your expression, your heart center, and your connection to the earth. You are made up of the same fundamental building blocks as the universe and earth. You are an extension of all that is. You are not separate from the universe. You are a unique expression of it. So always feel free to dance your unique dance and to reveal your goddess. Follow your heart. Be in your bliss. Go with the flow. Dance with abandon. And be yourself, but bigger. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel. So I've really got some great videos coming up to share with you, including one on how to release your sensuality. And don't forget to hit that bell if you want to be notified when I've got something new. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below and let me know if there's any topic you'd like me to focus on. Remember, feel it, express it, and dance without limitation or fear. Be yourself, but bigger. And allow this sense of aliveness to permeate everything you do. See you next time, my darlings.